हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। दिस इज़ मैनाक फ्रॉम सिविल सेंटर। तो आज हम लोग लेके आ रहे हैं एक फ्रेश एपिसोड, एक फ्रेश सीरीज़ सिविल साइट ज्ञान। सो द बेसिक मोटिव ऑफ दिस एपिसोड इज़ टू ब्रिंग टू यू ऑल द नॉलेज ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट। हमारे बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स के कमेंट्स आया है कि सर वी वांट टू नो अबाउट द कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स एंड वी वांट टू गेन द नॉलेज अबाउट द कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स। तो इसीलिए हम लोग ये सीरीज स्टार्ट किए हैं जिसमें हम लोग कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स के वेरियस एक्टिविटीज़, आपका रीइंफोर्समेंट बाइंडिंग हो गया, एक्सकवेशन, आपके जितने भी प्रोसेसेस हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन में, सारे प्रोसेसेस का हम लोग शॉर्ट क्लिप्स देंगे एंड उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देंगे, टेक्निकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से उसको समझाएंगे। विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज एपिसोड। तो आज के एपिसोड में विल डिस्कस अबाउट रीइंफोर्समेंट बाइंडिंग ऑफ प्लिंथ बीम। सो विल शो यू a clip where the reinforcement binding of plinth beam is going on, and we'll also show the hanger bars as well as the extra bars, and also we'll discuss the logic behind it. So friends, this is the reinforcement of a plinth beam which is being done, and the plinth beam details, reinforcement details are 4 number of reinforcement are provided at the top and 3 number of reinforcement are provided at the bottom. So among the 4 number of reinforcement which are provided at the top, 2 reinforcements are provided as hanger bars, that is 2 reinforcements are provided also, and other 2 reinforcement are provided as extra. As you can see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 number of reinforcement at the top, and these 2 reinforcement they are provided as extra, meaning that these reinforcement will be provided only near the ends. So as you can see here, they are discontinued from here, so they are provided only at the ends, and at the bottom 3 number of reinforcement will be provided, 2 are already provided, and the other extra reinforcement will be provided at the center. So the extra reinforcement of the bottom bar, or the third reinforcement of the bottom bar, will be provided as extra at the center. So let us understand why this is done. So as you can see in the bending moment diagram, we have maximum bending moments near the supports and maximum bending moments at the center. So the maximum bending moment at the support is at the top, which is to be taken by the top fiber of the beam, and the maximum bending moment at the bottom is at the center, which is to be taken by the bottom fiber. So while providing reinforcement, we need to only provide reinforcement at the places in which we have maximum bending moment. In the places where we don't have any bending moment, we don't need to provide the extra reinforcement. So suppose at the bottom we need to provide 3 numbers of 12 mm bars, then we can provide 2 number of 12 mm bars as hanger bars, and 1 12 mm bar we can provide as extra bars at the center. Similarly, as in this case, in this diagram, as you can see here, there are 4 number of bars which are to be provided at the top. Now here what they have done at the site is, as per the design, they have provided 2 number of bars as hanger bars and 2 number of bars as extra bars only near the supports, as you can see in the video. As you can see that binding works are going on, and they will provide all the remaining reinforcement. These are your stirrups which are provided. So as you can see here, and for the stirrups also, there is a concept that at the center the spacing is lesser as compared to the near the supports. So this also can be understood with the help of the shear force diagram. As you can see in the figure, that at the ends the shear force is maximum, which eventually becomes 0 at the center, and again near the end, near the other end, it also increases. So that's why the spacing of the stirrups is kept closer at the ends, and the spacing can be increased near the center. So this was our video on plinth beam reinforcement binding. So stay tuned to our channel for more updates. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.